Well, hot temps, let me show you this. There it is. It's for all of North Texas. The excessive heat warning, these don't happen. They happen here, but they, it's not like we have these, 25 times a summer. So don't take this too lightly. Heat index values. Now, this goes until 8 p.m. tomorrow. It may be extended into Wednesday, but regardless, it's in effect now and it goes through tomorrow. Heat index values of 110 to 120. I don't care where you live. That is dangerous heat. These temps, these are the highs today. Dallas 97, McKinney, now these are air temperatures, okay? The heat index values were all triple digit, but triple digits were found in Denton, Decatur, and Fort Worth, and Granbury, and Hillsborough, and all locations to the west. Look at McKinney and Bonham and Greenville. Didn't feel too bad when you just look at the air temperature. Then you throw in the crazy high humidity, and everyone once again had heat index values of 105 up to 120. Actually, in Meridian, I just showed you at the top of the newscast, they had a current heat index of 122. That's the heat index right now down in Bosque County. So as we take a look into the Dallas-Fort Worth area today, Richardson, you hit 102, Plano 102, the same in Frisco, Mesquite 99, 96 in Terrell, Kaufman hit 100, 97 in Rockwall, 94 in Greenville. There's a 97 in Grand Prairie, Fort Worth 100, 102 in Weatherford, 100 in Decatur, 102 in Bridgeport, Springtown and Aledo, only 97 in Springtown and Aledo, but it was hot all across the area. The high today was 99. On June 11, we hit 99. So that's the hottest we've been so far this year, and it's only 7 degrees warmer than the normal high of 92. The morning low was close to normal. The normal low is 73. We bottomed out at 74. 97 outside right now. That's the issue right there. The heat index, it feels like 115 right now at DFW. The dew point temperature, remember, that's the true measure of moisture in the air. Relative humidity, it's relative. It swings a lot throughout the day. This is a constant. So we've had a dew point temperature as high as 81 degrees. That's only happened 5 times. The warmest I've seen it, the highest I've seen this today was 79. That's why we have that. At least we have a light breeze out of the south-southeast at 13. Grass and oak and fungus today are all there, and today they're all on the low side of the scale. Thunderstorm activity well to the southwest of Fort Worth. That's where it stays tonight. I expect things to fizzle out tonight. I do not expect that thunderstorm to fire up. I hope it does, but I just don't see that happening. But overnight tonight, a little bit of a shower activities possible to the east and northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That's why I have a 10 to 20% coverage overnight. Right now, there's a low coverage well to the southwest of Fort Worth, and then overnight towards sunrise, a low coverage to the east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. A warm and humid night. I start complaining and my glass is always half full, but once we have low temperatures that are 80, 81 or more, that's when I start complaining. But 79, so I'm keeping it in the 70s tonight, but we make it up to triple digits tomorrow. And it's not a record high tomorrow. The record's 104. It's hot, but it's not a record high. And I put some record highs on there. All the days we have triple digit days, I have the record highs on there to let you know that even though we hit 100 or so, they're not records. And then I also put on there on next Monday and Tuesday, the 26th, 27th of June, those are the hottest temperatures ever recorded in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That was that horrible summer back in 1980, and we made it up to 113 degrees 2 days in a row, June 26, June 27, 1980. Now, certainly when you get up to 113, you don't have the humidity that we have today, but even, the heat index, Bosque County, Mike, 122 degrees, that's the heat index right now down in Meridian. So that's nasty.
I tried to mow my lawn today. I got through the front yard and I was like, nope, I'm done. That was enough.
Nobody's going to see the back anyway.
Exactly right.
Yeah, and I saw some of the Plano city workers out today, like breaking up concrete and doing work at 7:30 this morning. Yeah. And that is
the only hour you can do anything.
That is early, but I mean, that's what has to happen when it's this hot. Yeah. People don't need to be outside. If they can avoid it, they need to get that work done early as opposed to 3 or 4 in the afternoon.
Yeah.